Yeah, what's up YouTube? Right now I have this fire reds. As you can see, I've been taking off the paint. It was cracking pretty bad. This is the right shoe. I already kind of finished the left shoe. It isn't the best, they still need some touch-ups, but it's there, it's getting there. As you can see the white, it's pretty glossy. There's still some white marks going on, but I'll get that done. The paint that I'm using is the Angelus Fire Red. I got it at turtlefeathers.net. It's about $2. Comes out to like $7 with shipping. It's the same paint with the white, and there's still some restorations you gotta do, like unyellowing the tab and the front part. But I mean, it's a pretty good shoe overall. The paint looks pretty thick. Like in the little details, it's pretty hard to see, but like this part, it's like less noticeable, but it's pretty noticeable like from far away. But you can see a difference from the non-painted to the painted. But that's something gotta work out.